So enjoy. You are This is our pre-K class of 2015-2016. Guys, you miss it? Aren't they the cutest bunch? Yes, I know. We have a little slideshow prepared for you to show you some of the things that we've done this year. And I just want to say thank you to all the parents who's taken the time to spend a lot of time with your kids, teach them what they need to do at home. You're always their first teacher, and I truly appreciate what you've done. Here's our little slideshow. And hopefully you can see the rest. We're about halfway done, and we're going to see if we can finish it later. Your children have prepared memory verses. Every week they had a memory verse to memorize, and some of them were really good at knowing their memory verse every single week. Each of them have studied one memory verse that they will say to you today. Mateo, we're going to start with Mateo. Let me see if this can reach. Okay, guys, can you stand up for me, please?
I was some was over for some 27. You may forgive others and listen to word 13. God has plans for you. Jeremiah 29:11. Give thanks to the Lord for He is good. Psalms 107:1. Trust in the Lord and do good. Psalm 37:3. Let the children come to me. 10:14. Be kind and loving each other as we do for what we can. Be faithful, but I will give you a new heart. Seek you 36:26.
Awesome, thank you. Okay. It's almost to the end anyways. And the Appreciate Kids have prepared a song for you. Mateo gets an award for attendance. He's missed the least days of school. All year, I think he's missed 4. So, good for you, Mateo. Mateo also gets for Excellent Reader Award. Mateo reads at about a first grade level, end of first grade, beginning of second grade level. So he's doing very, very well. Mateo is also my math whiz. He doesn't even have to think too much before he can solve a worded problem. Mateo has an awesome memory. I don't need a chart to do my jobs anymore. He can just tell me what's going on next week, and the week after that, and the week after that, and I don't even know. Mateo is an excellent student. I'm so glad you're in my class. Come on up here, Mateo. Nadim. Nadim get our music award. She is an excellent singer and she enjoys music very well. Nadim is also a great reader. She's doing very well. And she has an Outstanding Student Award. Nadim does not like to waste time. Miss Smiley, what am I doing next? What am I doing next? Where's my homework? Where's my homework, Miss Smiley? So she works hard consistently. Come on up here, Nadim. You're so awesome. Come here, Ron. Come here. Come here, Nadim.
What is it?
Next is Pau Mung. Pau Mung gets my Great Speller Award. He can sound out just about any CBC words and spell them for me. Lens and digraphs. He's an awesome speller. He also gets an Excellent Reader Award. Pau Mung also reads at about a end of kindergarten, first grade level. Good job, Pau Mung. Come on up here. You're an awesome Next, I have Natalia. Natalia also gets a music award. She has a certificate of achievement for phonological awareness. She's really good at phonics. And Natalia also gets my citizenship award for exemplary behavior. Come on up here, Natalia. You're awesome. Also another great artist in my class. He's always right there with Thang doing his artwork, which is always very vivid. He also gets an award for phonological awareness, and he's my math whiz also. Leon is very quiet, but he has a lot going on in his brain. Really, really. He's shy at times, but he's an awesome and smart kid. Come on up here, Leon. Elisa, she gets an outstanding award. She is my creative thinker. Elisa can make up a story that will have you, thinking. She loves to share. She listens well. She also gets an award for improvement in math and phonological awareness. Come on up here, Elisa. I have one more award for my special helper, Lily, who decided not to help me today. Lily is also a pre-K student. She spent half the year with us, and she will be with us for a full year next year. Lily gets an award for Outstanding Student for consistent hard work. Lily has awesome work ethics. And she also gets a math award. Come on up here, Lily. Come on up here, Lily and Mom. Thanks, Lily. I have one more award. We're building leaders at JAA, and we have one final award. It's the 2015-2016 Leadership Award, and the student has been an exceptional leader. He's always reminding his friends what to do. He is very responsible. He always and he's an awesome helper. Thang, come on up here. Let's have a round of applause for our I really want to say thank you to all the other teachers and subs who helped out this year. Miss Hercules have been there for me when I could not. She's been their music teacher. Miss Andrea Richardson. Students love her. She fills in for me at last minute, and they love her just as much as they do me, and they trust her with all their hearts. I also want to recognize Crystal Ramos. Crystal has been in our school all year with Mateo, and she's been a great help to me. Thank you so much, Crystal. Really appreciate the help you give me. Maybe we can finish our slideshow, and then we'll move on. Then they'll walk out, and we'll finish awards with the rest of the school.